and falling. The report from the Bronx Botanical Gardens was not available. Elsewhere in the metropolitan area, at Kennedy, rain was falling, with a temperature of 66. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 74 at Newark, and 68 at White Plains. At LaGuardia, National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles until 5:30 p.m. At 4:44 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Silverton, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Seagort Reef, Shark River Reef, Point Pleasant Beach, Manasquan Inlet, Pine Beach, Axel Carlson Reef, Silverton, La Valette, Seaside Park and Ocean Gate. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the